We out here, U.C.T.V. We at Carly C's, man. We do this homeless feed. Trying to get some people out here fed, you know what I'm saying? The reason why we out here feeding people, because people out here saying they the man of the city, but they don't never do nothing for the city, you know what I'm saying? Can't be the man of the city and never do nothing. We out here, U.C.T.V.
Thoughts of fucking bad bitches, all I had. What thoughts of getting fucking dreams, all I had. What's some thoughts and some fucking dreams, all I had. What thoughts of getting mad riches, all I had. What's thoughts of fucking bad bitches, all I had. What's thoughts of getting fucking cream, all I had. What's some thoughts and some fucking dreams, all I had. Was a whole lot of haters, nigga, all I had. Was a Bible and some prayers, nigga, all I had. Was thoughts of getting fucking paper, all I heard. Was grind now and shine later, all I heard. Was times would be greater, nigga, all I wanted. Was times to be straighter, nigga, all I had.
You wanna take a picture?
Was one single mother, nigga, all I had. Was some pain in the struggle, nigga, all I had. Was thoughts of getting mad riches, all I had. What's thoughts of fucking bad bitches, all I had. What's thoughts of getting fucking dreams, all I had. What's some thoughts of some fucking dreams, all I had. What's thoughts of getting mad bitches, all I had. What's thoughts of fucking bad bitches, all I had. What's thoughts of getting fucking dreams, all I had. What's some thoughts of some fucking dreams. Thoughts of getting bad riches, all I had. What's thoughts of fucking bad bitches, all I had. What's thoughts of getting fucking cream, all I had. What's some thoughts and some fucking dreams, all I had. What's thoughts of getting bad riches, all I had. What's thoughts of fucking bad bitches, all I had. What's thoughts of getting fucking cream, all I had. What's some thoughts and some fucking dreams.
I'm giving out food today, so where's some other spots I can check out?
All over. I live out. I can't do that. I can't do that. I'm chasing one more. I'm over my ass. I sit there and just watch football. I didn't even.
No, it's all good. It's all good. If I come back through here, man, I'll try to, if I have to change, I'll come back through. Yeah, because I'm going to ride around. I got a whole bunch of stuff I'm going to just pass out. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to pass it all out.
I like what you got.
I got some more chips.
You got a bag? I can buy it.
No, I don't got no bag. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, hold on. I might do got a bag.
I do need a bag. I don't want no bag. That's soda food. I don't have no bag.
You want something else?
I like that.
You like that?
I get a bag.
Yo, go ahead.
I'll call you. I like that. I'll call you. You got enough? I'm in the birthday.
It's your birthday today?
No, my birthday money.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Ain't nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. I wasn't a girl that night. I ain't been. I did that night. I've been warm.
God bless you so you can bless others, you know what I'm saying? Most cats take their blessings, put it in their pocket, waiting on the next dollar. How can you bless then? You can hear the voices of people want hope and change, Where's the hope when you don't have it in yourself? We as people seek out leadership. But why? When you are the leader. Give so it can be given into you. Admiration and inspiration, and that's what you're doing, bro. Anyone who wants to be first must be the very last. And the servant of all. That's kingship. That's real power. Cats want power, but they're not willing to serve.